a mirror maze, Numbers in Nature, has just arrived here at Frost Science, and we're really excited to have this exhibit here in Miami. This exhibit is focused on numbers in nature, as the name implies. It explores patterns that we find repeatedly throughout nature, like spirals, like fractal sequences, fundamentally underlying many aspects of the natural world. Numbers are sort of the language of nature, and this exhibit allows visitors an accessible entry point into mathematics. It allows you to explore at your own pace and in a way that makes these patterns relatable to your everyday life. In things like engineering and architecture and music and art, there's something for everyone in this exhibit. One of the highlights, of course, is the mirror maze. It's about 1,700 square feet, and it has interactive components sort of hidden throughout. So as you make your way through the maze to get into the rest of the gallery, you are introduced to some of these themes that will be coming up again and again, just like we see these patterns recurring again and again in nature. Another really amazing component of this exhibit experience is how interactive it is. You're not just walking up and pushing a button to watch a video happen, you're directly engaging with the exhibit, and as a result, it enables people who have all different kinds of learning modalities to engage. So you can just observe, but you can also get engaged in a way that activates the body as well as the mind. So come visit a mirror maze, Numbers in Nature, here at Frost Science.